Moving to Singapore? Whether you're here to work, study, or start a new chapter, but not quite sure how to open a DBS or POSB account without Singpass? Don't worry, we are here to help. First, download the DBS Digibank app from official App Store or Google Play Store. Launch the Digibank app, tap on Sign Up for Digibank, and proceed with I'm new to DBS or POSB. Choose to continue without Singpass and sign up manually. Next, you will be asked to provide your personal details such as nationality details. If you're Malaysian, enter your Malaysian IC number, your FIN number, and its expiry date. For foreign passport holders, enter your passport number plus your FIN number and its expiry date, which can be found on your pass or IPA. Not sure of your FIN number? It usually starts with the letter F, G, or M. Once you have completed your nationality details, you are required to fill in basic information about yourself, such as your name, birth date, and contact details. Next up, we will need to know where you are currently staying. If you're staying in Singapore, just enter your 6-digit postal code and the address will be autofilled. That's all you need if you're living in a landed property. But if you're staying in an apartment or public housing, don't forget to add your floor and unit number after that. Now, tell us your occupation. If you are a student, select Student option, and that's all we need. If you're currently working, tap Show All to view the full list of options. If your job isn't listed, just pick the closest match. Do the same when choosing your industry. Now it's time to declare your tax residency status. You're considered a tax resident of Singapore if you've been here for at least 183 days or 3 consecutive years, or if you hold a work pass that's valid for at least a year. Visit the IRAS website for more details. Each country has its own rules, and you may be a tax resident in more than one country. Make sure to declare all of them. Once you've filled in all your personal details, you'll get to pick one of 2 starter bundles, My Account or Multiplier. Both bundles give you access to Pay Now and Payla, plus a Visa debit card that lets you hold and spend in multi-currencies when you shop online or travel. You may personalize the card with your name up to 19 characters and avoid using special characters. You are almost done with your application. In this section, you are to upload clear digital copies of your document. Here's a quick guide to help you follow along and capture a clear photo of your document. For proof of your identity, if you're Malaysian, snap and upload the front and back of your IC. If you're a foreigner, upload the biodata page of your passport. And here's a quick tip. Sending a selfie with your IC is not allowed. Also, no need to send us the physical passport. A digital copy is all we need. Remember the residential address you provided earlier? You'll need to submit a proof of address that matches what you entered. You may use a certification letter from your school or company with address stated in the letter, or your recent utility bill. Do note that tenancy agreements are not accepted as they are private contracts. For proof of employment or student pass, you are to provide a scan or digital copy of your government-issued pass, such as employment pass, student pass, long-term visit pass, or dependent pass. If your pass is not ready, we accept IPA issued by MOM or ICA. For proof of tax residency, if you are a Malaysian, just upload a copy of your IC. If you are a foreigner, upload the biodata page of your passport. If you are a tax resident in more than one country, please upload the government-issued tax filing document for each country. Lastly, for proof of mobile ownership, if we detected that you are using a reused mobile number, you'll need to provide supporting documents to verify that the number belongs to you. You may submit a copy of your telco bill or a telco confirmation letter that is no more than 3 months old from your application date. The document must show your name and mobile number matching the information provided in your application. After which, do a quick review to ensure information entered are accurate. To stay updated on the latest services and perks, make sure to tick all the boxes to receive updates. Once everything looks good, go ahead and tap Confirm Application and acknowledge an advisory from Singapore Police Force. And that's it. We will review and process your application. You can check your application on go.dbs.com/sg-new-status. Once your account is approved, your debit card will be on its way to you within 3 to 5 working days. After you have received your card, follow the instructions on CardMailer to activate it. Once that's completed, you can sign up for Digibank and start using your account. Hope that helps you complete your application. Soon you can bank with DBS anywhere you go, like millions who do today.